We're here with the Lockpicking Lawyer.
World's first and only independent locking wheel skateboard.
These are the moments I live for, Aaron.
Same. Let's figure out how to pick some things.
There you go.
All right, guys, we are super excited to be here today at the Fremont Skateboard Park.
Feels like an oven more than a skate park.
Literally feels like we're on the surface of the sun. So I decided to wear a long sleeve black t-shirt. All right, let's open this. Was that the easiest box to open ever?
Are you a magician?
Can you close it and do it more aggressively? That works.
Whoa, look at that. Okay, we got a skateboard that says hardened stainless, made in USA with global components, padlock commitment, padlock USA. It even has the Braille logo, but this is a custom board. Wow.
It's got some weight to it, looks like.
Yeah. Hold on, I just gotta read this note really fast. You got that?
I got one hand.
Is it gonna break your jaw? Participant release of liability. By removing this piece of paper, participant forever waives any cause of action against Pacific Lock Company and Lockpicking Lawyer, their affiliates, owners, agents, employees, and any other person or company in any way associated with them for any damages that might arise from the use of this product. Do not try this at home, people.
What happens if the paper was already off?
I guess it is what it is. Participant understands and accepts that skateboarding is hazardous and has many dangers and risks.
Really?
Which includes serious bodily injury or death. They went there.
I went there.
Participant hereby agrees to freely and expressly assume and accept any and all risks of getting bodied. Otherwise, have fun. Okay. We are super grateful to Pack Lock for making this incredible board. Oh, I don't think you saw the bottom yet. It's entirely made out of locks. What does it mean, you might ask? We don't even know. We're here with the Lockpicking Lawyer to tell us everything about it. Here you go, Lockpicking Lawyer.
Right over here. I've been watching you guys for years, and ever since I saw the first You Make It, We Skate It, I wanted to give you guys some puck lock wheels.
Oh, what?
Puck lock wheels.
What does that even mean?
These are puck locks.
It's
man.
like
What
hockey?
you see on the side of a van. So I reached out to Pack Lock, asked for some blanks I could make them out of.
Yeah.
Their head engineer, huge fan of you guys, big skater, said I'm not gonna give it to you, but I'm gonna make you guys a board. Give me those keys. Let me show you what we got here.
How do you know which key goes to what?
Because except for these two, which don't do anything,
Yeah.
they're all key to life.
They're
so
all
this is
what?
a bunch of keys that are all the same.
Okay,
I was hoping
They're
it was
all
a
the
guessing
same.
game.
So every single thing you do, you take this one off, wheel comes off. By the way,
Okay.
check out those big bearings they got in there.
Look at that. Okay, so,
Did it roll?
yeah, it rolls. Fetty?
Oh my Lanta.
For real? Okay, so
On my
that,
life.
wow,
Let's get that guy back in there.
this is life-changing. Fun fact, I bought a new doorknob the other day.
Okay, we got the next one. Takes the whole wheel out.
It takes the whole wheel out. I think we finally found something.
Check this
We
out.
could just
You always wanted a
manufacture
locking skateboard, right? I mean, that's been
Yeah.
your goal in life.
this. True.
So you just move that over one, wheels are locked.
Boom!
This can't be wheel.
And these guys went all out, man. They-
I hope
everything
you
is
got your
custom made,
tricks on.
laser engraved, custom printed board. They freaking went to town for you guys. World's first and only independent locking wheel skateboard.
The question is, will Fetty break it?
I don't know, is Fetty allowed on this thing? He's already broke.
I can't even lift it. It's over 20 pounds.
It is. It is actually very heavy.
Well, good thing I got
Kickflip off?
kickflips on lock.
Oh! This is the worst joke I've ever heard.
It took me a solid 5 seconds to understand that.
I feel like I could just run a prison with this. Know what I mean? Should we skate it? I think that we start with Fetty doing a drop-in.
I think we start with Dan doing a drop-in.
Dan?
Yeah, Dan.
Uzi?
I don't know where he went.
Uzi, take your hood off, take your jacket off.
It's
Preventing the sunburn.
It's the sunburns are real, Gabe. Whoa!
It is kind of hot.
Whoa!
It rolls.
Oh, dude, it's going down.
I think it weighs more than me now, because I've lost a lot of weight from breaking my jaw, so it's hard to push.
Oh.
Doesn't sound nice. Wait, let me try to ride on it.
Good luck, Dan.
Go ahead. How did he survive that? Never throw a set of keys at your friend when he's dropping in on a pack lock board. We're gonna kickflip this, right?
Yeah.
I don't know.
So, just so you know, Fetty's technically not cleared to skate until next week.
Fetty, don't skate.
That was a pretty good ollie.
What's the key to skating this board?
I feel like it's gonna break, but then it doesn't.
It's super flexing.
Should I kickflip? Man, you know what I'm scared of for some reason? I just gotta test it. Landing primo.
That's the best primo ever.
I know, but it's still scary. First try, full college try.
Full send. That was
wasn't
like
even
a
full
30% send.
Just stop it! That's what
Bodied!
I knew
Yeah!
it! I knew it! Bodied under the surface of the sun.
I'm figuring out the physics.
Man, I felt like I flicked so hard.
You almost had it. Look at it. It almost went.
What? Skateboarding Made Simple Practice Steps, Volume 1. Well done, Fetty. You can buy your video at brailleskateboarding.com.
I hit it with this part of my foot.
I love how you just landed it so easily.
I think you're trying to be too chalant.
Me?
Yeah.
Gotta be
What'd you call me?
nonchalant, brother.
For my TikTok, you can follow me at Braille Skate.
Ah!
Dang it! I'm getting my TikTok. What are you doing?
This is the grip tape.
For real though, I bet Uzi would have the best TikTok. They hire veterans. Now I'm gonna land it. I was gonna kick that and then I realized it's gonna hurt me more than it's gonna hurt it. How?
TikTok. Pick lock.
How did he do that?
Come on, Aaron, get his back.
Double flip. Should I go double flip now?
Yeah.
You should go for a double flip to get a single flip.
How's double?
Did you just crush your toe?
I crushed every part of my willingness and soul.
Is that Kelly? When did Kelly Wakasa get here?
Oh, here we go. Show him how it's done, Fetty.
Dang. That's why they do that. Dang. All right, lockpicking lawyer. Let's go. Oh! If I don't land it right here, I'll buy Fetty a Jamba Juice. Ow! Ow! Okay, I gotta land this. Oh! Get out, Gabe! That was the hardest thing I've literally ever done in all of life.
Body! All right, let's take it around the park.
Take it around the park? No!
More like
What, I'm
Tim
not
the
a
Primo.
quitter. Alright, Uzi, give me a kickflip. That's it. I'm gonna land a good one. Uzi, get me on the slow-mo. My TikTok is taking off.
I think that was good.
Should we take it around the park?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Should we try and grind it?
It's probably so weird.
These are not your traditional trucks, but they are metal. I mean, that should grind, right? My gosh. Actually, they grind so good.
Really?
Yeah.
Jump on there faster.
The problem is, they grind faster than the wheels roll.
Wow. All right, Dan. Time to drop in. These are the moments I live for, Aaron.
Same.
People doubt me all the time. I gotta prove them wrong.
But I'm a vert skater.
Exactly.
All right, let's take it up a notch. Come on, Dan. Let's go. All right, you got this, Dan.
Oh!
He drifted. What?
Glue is coming off.
Oh, wow. All right, Dan, you got this.
You gotta do this one and then that one. And then that
I don't know
one.
about that.
I thought you were a vert skater.
I know, but I'm drifting like even at the bottom of this.
He really did.
So don't drift.
Don't drift. Okay.
It's because he's half sending.
Full send.
I'm not half sending. It's just stopping. I'm gonna lean way back.
Great idea.
Doesn't even matter. I was leaning like this. And it just, you wanna try?
Yeah.
Body!
That's why I said lean back. It's fully possible.
You gonna try, Troy?
I almost had it.
Oh, the thing's totally locked.
Oh,
What? Give me that.
where's your problem? You need to unlock it. You need to lock it fast.
Oh, this entire half is completely locked.
No wonder.
You guys set me up. I feel like if they spun, it would probably roll better.
Dude, what?
We gotta find the lockpicking lawyer. Oh my god!
What do you got?
So here we are dropping in on the ramp, and we're like, it doesn't roll. And then we go, oh yeah, it really literally doesn't roll. How did you do that?
Oh, you done messed up. I don't know. Let's go take a look.
Where'd the keys go?
I think you threw them somewhere.
Who loses the keys to their skateboard?
Pretty incredible that they actually put like washers in here. Look at that. It actually turns too. These trucks are amazing.
I don't know. Everything seems all right.
Well, that's what happens when you let Dan skate seconds.
Well, it's good while it lasted.
Well, let's figure out how to pick some things.
Dude, I got some things set up for you.
Where? This? Oh my gosh.
Oh!
You ever seen any of these locks before?
I have seen them. I think mostly
You ever used
probably
them?
seen this. No.
There's not a lock on this table I shouldn't be able to open in under 5 seconds.
Really?
This is the kind of stuff you see on my channel.
What is this?
This is some crazy stuff.
Where's
Man. This one right here.
Wait,
Oh wait, we got lots of them here. These are all different bidding.
but this is not a key. This is a lockpick.
Yeah.
What?
Oh, you got the sweet.
Don't
How
break
did
it,
you do
Aaron.
that? Like actually, how did you do that?
That's what the inside of a lock looks like. When you put the key in, it lifts it up right to there and it can turn.
Whoa, what? So the key goes like
The
this
key
way?
goes in here,
In here.
in the front,
And then pushes
it
down.
lifts all these pin stacks up until
Okay.
it's at the right level so the thing can turn. Well,
Ah.
sometimes a lock maker messes up and they put so much space up here that you can lift everything above that line. That's what I'm doing. Where's that tool I had? I'm using this to lift every single pin in the lock
Yeah.
all the way up into that space up there, and then it just turns.
Wait, but how did you lift
So you
that?
just stick it in,
Learn.
lift it up.
So, like this?
There you go. That's
Oh! First try! Hashtag math.
What is this?
okay. This one right here. A couple months ago, you search high security padlock on Amazon.
Yeah.
This was the #1, Amazon's choice.
Wow.
See this thing?
It looks like a thing I would use to clean my
Dentist.
teeth.
What?
Eat it, Amazon!
I mean, they really screwed the pooch on this one.
Really?
Oh yeah. Goes down like this. There we go. Now, once it's in position, just turn that like you would a key.
It's so satisfying. But this is like, feel the weight on this. If you had this on something, I'd be like, oh, it's good, dude. I only think with like smashing things.
Here's
Same.
one. Everyone uses this on their trailers.
Okay.
Lock their trailer couplers. People call that either a knife or a shank tool.
What in the world?
The locking lug that holds that thing closed, you can just reach in and stab it through the back of the keyway and push down on it. You go all the way back, push hard, and then push down.
So could you make a lock that nobody can break?
It'd make a lock that'd be a heck of a lot harder. It's not saying much here.
Whoa! You thought Uzi had his switch flips on lock.
How far in? You don't put it all the way.
Got him.
Okay, this is one everyone uses. You've seen these things before?
Yeah.
How long do you think it would take me to open that up?
5 seconds.
That's about right. Stick that thin little piece of metal right through there.
What? No way.
What?
But it's a combo.
Yeah, how do you
And
know
all
how to
these
do that
locks
one?
have the exact same mechanism in it, so you can do the same thing to pretty much all of them. And this is one, I love it. This Kingsley company,
Yeah.
they copied off a Master Lock, but they copied a terrible design. So
Man.
all these things, even the big Magnum one with the heavy shackle,
Yeah.
What?
Wow.
same thing every
Dude.
time.
So,
So here, let me
weird.
show you how you do it.
You're like David
Push,
Blaine.
push down on the shackle. So we're gonna stick this in until it gets into about that position. Down on the shackle, lift up, it should open. Why don't I leave it there? Because it's easy to break those tools if you don't know what you're doing. Yeah, you have it. That's it, look out.
Boom.
These other ones, an Avis lock. A lot of these locks, they all have the exact same problem. Here's one you get from U-Haul. Same sort of problem, just a slightly different tool.
What?
Wow.
Weird.
Go over to my channel, you'll see stuff like this, 4 videos a week. It's all great stuff.
Let's go. Lockpicking lawyer.
This is actually not picking, this is all bypassing.
Yeah.
This is the easy stuff. If I were to pick this lock, it would look something like this. That's picking. Now that looks easy, but until you get used to it, it takes some time.
Oh, it reminds me of Skyrim.
All right, guys, a huge thanks to Packlock and the Lockpicking Lawyer.
Great to be here, thanks man.
If you guys have not checked out his channel, you can do so now. Link in the description below. Check out all of those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn how to skateboard. Even the Lockpicking Lawyer is learning.